And I know times like this, you just take it slow. Fall asleep in the pillows.
Okay guys, another new product for you to have a look at. So basically we've got the forged dash in. I've gone for this basically to go with all the gloss black. I've got a couple of bits that are genuine carbon and obviously the fake carbon round here, which didn't look like they matched perfectly, so I've gone with the forged carbon because obviously it's complete contrast. So you see there, it's literally just an overlay for the dash. Looks absolutely stunning. Just get that back off again if I can. Fits that well. So obviously everything's contoured to it. Obviously you've got your ends and everything all finished off, so it's literally just a stick and go. So you can, it's 3M tape. We've cleaned this up. So obviously any dash, any silicone that is going to affect this sticking. So obviously once you've done it, if it sticks here and it sticks here and here and here and then it's loose here, you're not going to be able to take it back off and do it again. So get it right first time sort of thing. So we've cleaned all that up. We've used like an alcohol wipe on it, make sure there's no dust. So everything's just cleaned up, so it's literally just a matter of peeling this, which you'll see it's quite easy because it's a thick tape. My thumbs aren't made for this. That one. Now this one obviously is the easy one, and we'll get onto the driver's side in a minute, but basically everything cleaned, no dashboard silicons. You're going to get that. It's not really hard to line up because you can see there it just fits in. So obviously bottom in first so that doesn't grab, and just going to feed the top up like that. Once that's nearly in place, then obviously make sure the bottom's in, middle, and then finally across the top. So as you can see there, that looks absolutely better than the fake checkered of what Mini supplied us with. It goes with all the gloss black obviously on the extra bits that we've got in there, so we'll go on to the passenger side and show you how to install that. Okay guys, onto the passenger side now. To make this easier, we're just going to pull the speedo forward there so you can slot it in. Now there's two torque screws, don't know if you can see in there, there's two torque screws there. Now they are quite far in and fiddly, and obviously if it drops, what we've done is just put a bit of glue on the end of there, so obviously that holds that in, and then when we're putting it back together it's not going to drop down the dash. So once you've got that loose, all you're going to do is pull it forward. You don't need to disconnect it or anything, it's just literally there. When it's there, you just struggle to get that through, as you can see there. So all we're going to do is pull that forward, clean up the dash, and then we've got mega easy access then to glue that in place like that. So we'll go on, we'll clean the dash, and we'll come back to you in a sec. There's one, that's going to be a tricky one. Oh, that's bad. So that's out. So there we go. So obviously once all peeled, everything's clean. Just going to slide it down the back there. And again, we've got it sort of in place before we press anything. There we go. So that's in now. So again guys, just literally a nice firm push down. And there you go, all fitted. So with this, you can see there, I don't know if you can see through that hole there, but we're just going to push it back till that screw hole lines up there. This is the bit, like I say, use a bit of silicone or glue on the end of your nut there. Like I say, once you get that there, obviously if that drops off now, you're going to be knackered. So obviously once you've got it in there, and that just screws back down there, one on either side, to tighten them up. So there you go guys, all in. Very nice bit of forged carbon there for the dash. You can buy these on our website, www.KillAllChrome.co.uk. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe. Cheers guys.
She got my heart in a chokehold. heart that pounds like a stereo.